A healthy diet provides numerous benefits for your overall well-being. Here are 6 key benefits of following a healthy diet. Weight management. A balanced and nutritious diet can help you maintain a healthy weight. By consuming the right amount of calories and nutrients, you can prevent excessive weight gain or promote weight loss if needed. This is essential for reducing the risk of obesity-related health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Improved energy levels. Eating a healthy diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods can boost your energy levels. Foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provide essential nutrients and vitamins that your body needs to function optimally. They can help regulate your blood sugar levels, prevent energy crashes, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Enhanced mood and mental well-being. Research has shown that what you eat can have a significant impact on your mood and mental health. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 fatty acids has been associated with a lower risk of depression and anxiety. These foods contain nutrients that support brain health and the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for maintaining a positive mood. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A healthy diet can lower the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By including nutrient-dense foods and limiting the consumption of processed foods, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, you can help maintain healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels. Stronger immune system. A well-balanced diet supports a strong immune system, which is crucial for fighting off infections and diseases. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, and zinc, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, can strengthen your immune response and help protect against illnesses. Improved digestive health. A healthy diet that includes high-fiber foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables can promote better digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption and overall health. Remember, a healthy diet is not just about individual foods, but also about the overall pattern of eating. It's important to focus on consuming a variety of nutritious foods in appropriate portions and maintaining a balanced and sustainable approach to eating.